Okay, so I picked up a used steering knuckle. Actually two of them, but this is just one. And I cleaned it up and didn't have any hub in it when I got it, so that was good. And I'm just doing a little bit of inspection before I install the hub and make sure all the bolt holes are nice and clean, the threads, and also the bore where the sensor goes through. You want to make sure that's nice and clean as well. There's a lot of sharp edges on these. I didn't go too crazy on doing anything on the outside, but I made sure all the places on the where the joints fit are nice and clean, and there's no damage to any of those parts where the rubber pieces are going to be, and also the bore where the bearings can sit. It's a 98 foot-pounds on the bolts, and I use some nickel stuff in there, and the bolts come in a 4-pack. Just checking out this new SKF bearing. Pep Boys sells it a little cheaper, and they just essentially rebrand it. I suggest that you get a SKF or Motorcraft quality bearing. Don't get a cheap bearing if you're going to go through all the work of doing this. And so anyway, went ahead and put some of the extra lubricant on there, or the Loctite. There's some on the threads already, but I figured I'd freshen them up a bit. Well, I opted for using the electric inside, since I didn't think it'd be a good idea with the air tool. So anyway, it makes sort of a nice clean installation. Really wanted to put this in all as one unit, and actually that's what Ford recommends, is all one unit, but obviously it's not always an easy thing to do with when you have this all taken apart. You're in an emergency type situation, you need to do a bearing or something. But anyway, sorry about this angle here, and I had to put the camera down, and there's some other bags in the way, but you kind of get the idea. It's mostly advised if you can put this in a vise, but this is on the floor and I'm standing on it. Okay, well that's about it. You know, torque down to 98 foot-pounds, and just make sure you're all back together there, and that's it all put back together for that one knuckle, and the other one's exact same way. Thanks for watching. Good luck on your projects.